Hi everyone, back again to me, and in this video I will read some article again like usually before. And before I start, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share too. This article by Peter North, investing.com. US stocks are seen opening lower Friday, ending the week on a negative note as investors resist the extent of future interest rate hikes. At 7:80, the Dow futures contract was down 275 points or 0.8%. S&P 500 futures trade 45 points or 1% lower, and Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 160 points or 1.2%. Meanwhile, Street indicates closed marginally higher Thursday with the blue chip Dow Jones Industrial Average ending just 18 point or 0.1% higher as the retail sector continued to dominate the spotlight. Global equity fund received inflows for a second straight week in the week to August 17, with data from revenue delivers showing that this food attracted a net $3 billion worth of purchase, a 19% increase in inflows over the previous week. However, following on from the minutes of the July Federal Reserve meeting indicating the Fed officials saw little evidence that U.S. inflation pressure were easing, a number of policymakers pushed back during Thursday's session against bets on rates cuts next year. Next week's Federal Reserve Jackson Hole Symposium is now eagerly awaited, with Chair Jerome Powell expected to lay out a hawkish view on the dangers of inflation. The results from the retail sector have been mixed, with the likes of Walmart and BGS Wholesale reporting strong sales in their grocery business, while others such as Target and Kohl's citing inflationary pressure on support for disappointing number. There are more earnings Friday, with Deere and CO reporting a rise in quarterly profit as higher equipment demand help the world's large farm equipment maker to offset inflationary cost pressure. Numbers are also expected from athletic apparel, retail, Foot Locker, as well as Newcastle Mining of Canada, while semiconductor equipment company Applied Materials released a better than expected earnings report and upbeat outlook after the close Thursday. The woods of Bed Bath and Beyond are also likely to remain of interest, with the former meme favorite stock being over 40% lower pre-market Friday, a day after the billionaire investor Ryan Cohn disclosed he had sold his 9.8% stake in struggling home goods retailer. Oil price fell Friday on course for a weekly loss despite a two-day rally midweek, as concern over a global slowdown dampening demand for crude continued to hold sway. Data released on Wednesday showing that U.S. crude inventories fell sharply last week helped research traders that U.S. demand was holding up despite the high price level, but lingering recession fears and a possible increase in output by Iran have turned the market negative. By 7:80, U.S. crude futures traded 1.9% lower at $88 a barrel, while the Brent contract fell 1.9% to $94. Both benchmark contracts were headed for weekly losses of over 3%. Additionally, gold future fell 0.4% to $1, while EUR or USD trader 0.2% over at 1. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share to your friend, to your family, and see you in the next video.